eggshells. Using eggshells as fertilizer.
What's that?
Oh, I'm saying I'm using eggshells as fertilizer because here it's mostly this kind of sandy soil, and I want to add nutrient, and I don't know where to get the normal fertilizer, so currently I'm using eggshells as fertilizer. And on top of that,
What are rubbish?
just break it into crumbs. This is the lazy way.
What is rubbish?
You're supposed to break it into smaller pieces, maybe bury it a bit. Plants seem to be surviving. Even my chili plant over there.
What is this?
That's not any insect, it's, I don't know, I think it's the wind. I have no idea. Seem to be surviving well. And I think the cotton bud really works. Like this was all curled up, but once I put the cotton bud, they started opening up. I think it gives the plant the moisture that it needs. I've cut off the leaves. This pandan leaf. And over here, what I have is organic waste mixed with the the sandy soil. I hope to make compost. Spray it a little bit. Ooh. Let's see if it works.